In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a folder ID in ClickUp. If you need to connect ClickUp to another tool, set up an integration, or work with the ClickUp API, there may be times when you need the exact ID of a specific folder. The good news is that ClickUp makes this fairly easy to find once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can find it quickly and copy it correctly. To begin, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you can access the area where the folder is located. If you manage multiple workspaces, it's worth taking a moment to confirm that you're in the right one before moving on, since folder IDs are tied to the specific location you're viewing. Once you're inside ClickUp, open the space that contains the folder you want to work with. Spaces are the higher level sections that organize your work, so navigate to the correct one from the sidebar or your main workspace view. This step matters because the folder ID will only appear once you've opened the actual folder itself. Next, click on the folder whose ID you want to find. Wait for that folder to fully open in ClickUp so the page updates properly. This is important because the browser URL changes based on what you currently have selected, and you want to make sure you're viewing the correct folder before copying anything. Now look at the address bar in your browser. The URL shown there contains useful information about the page you're on, including the folder ID. You don't need to open any settings or developer tools for this. Just focus on the web address at the top of your browser window. In that URL, find the section immediately after /f/. The numbers that appear right after "f" are the folder ID. That number is the unique identifier for that folder, and it's the value commonly used when setting up automations, integrations, or API requests. Once you've located the number, highlight it and copy it. Be careful to copy only the ID itself and not any extra characters from the rest of the URL. Saving it in a note or pasting it directly where you need it can help prevent mistakes later. And that's it. That's how to find a folder ID in ClickUp quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching.